going to send things out to meteorologist Davis Nolan. He is joining us live from the storm tracker on I-40 in Wilson County. Davis, how's it looking at this hour?
Well, we still got some breezes out there, and even though we've been seeing some peaks of sun, as you can see from our cameras, both looking ahead as well as our roof camera here on our storm tracker, there still could be some wind gusts up to 40, 50 miles per hour through the evening, as Danielle pointed out a moment ago, as the winds shift from southwest to west. Now, we've been touring around Middle Tennessee today. We were down in Manchester earlier. As we drove back through Sparta, there were some trees down across the Sparta area. I want to show you a few pictures here from Sparta of a tree down over a driveway. And you can see the tree ball got pulled out of the ground. Maybe that's because we had so much rain recently. We finally moistened the ground up. Also, another tree, as you can see, got snapped there in the Sparta area. And also around Cookeville, you can see a tree that was uprooted there as well. We saw several houses that had trees go right through the roof. And we don't want to show those to you because the homeowners were not comfortable showing their home on TV right now. So we respected their wishes there. But last but not least, check out the hail that actually fell in the Murfreesboro area. So this hail was maybe about marble size, as you can see. So that we've had quite an array of weather. Now, this particular wind event didn't measure up to the March 3rd event that we had last year. Thank goodness for that. But we still could have some more wind gusts around the region as the night goes on. So please be aware that the winds are not calming down just yet. It'll be later on tonight. Reporting live from the News 2 Storm Tracker, I'm News 2 meteorologist Davis Nolan.